Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. What is Pinocchio AI? Well, today I'm going to explain everything that you need to know. So stick close and let's dive in. Alright, so the short answer is no, Pinocchio is not the little wooden doll that turned into a real boy. Let me tell you exactly what Pinocchio AI is. So Pinocchio AI is a local AI automation playground, and it's built for privacy and control. So if those are things that you're looking for, Pinocchio AI is actually exactly what you need. It is a no-code visual automation tool that runs AI apps and desktop web workflows locally on your PC or even your Mac. Now, unlike cloud-only tools, Pinocchio runs everything privately on your machine, and your machine becomes your personal local host cloud. Also, it does have human-like automation, so it automates tasks by mimicking human actions like clicks and keystrokes, enabling control of both desktop software and web applications. It also creates powerful workflows without writing a single line of code through an intuitive visual interface. What more can we say here? Well, why does Pinocchio AI actually matter, and why should you be using it? Well, first of all, it's made for every different type of purpose. It's great for freelancers, solopreneurs, students, small teams, anybody who wants to save time without coding skills or technical expertise. It also supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, with one-click installation and easy management for popular AI apps like Comfy UI and Stable Diffusion. The last thing over here is that it's open source. It's free to use with powerful features like multitasking CLI, agents, push notifications, and remote collaboration, all from one simple single browser interface.